You guys must be wondering what this is, right? This is the manual cruise control for my Duke 390 by the company pro-spec.co.in. The model name is ECZ004. There have been times during my road trips where I could see the highway. Careful while using it. You cannot be using this in heavy traffic situations. When you want to engage it, you basically tighten it towards the accelerator, and then whatever angle you set the accelerator at is going to hold that angle, and you've got your manual cruise control. And then when you want to disengage it, just rotate it in the other direction and it's going to disengage the cruise controls. Let's see what it feels like. I think it's going to be very useful. Let's go and install it. I will still be carrying this part along with me during my trip, because you never know. What if I'm not happy with the device? At least then I can install the original piece back. The best place to test it is on the highway, so let's go to the highway. Okay, even at 20-30 kilometers per hour, actually, as long as you keep some good distance, you can use it in the city as well. You see, right now the cruise control is engaged. Actually, once you get the hang of the angle, it can be used in the city as well to take the strain off the wrist. Even in this kind of an environment, it's not that difficult to use. The second gear or the third gear onwards, you can definitely use it like I am using it right now. See, just be ready to dial it down. It's all a matter of getting used to. Even in 20 or 30 kilometer per hour kind of an environment, so long as there is enough distance between you and the vehicle ahead of you, and you are careful about who's crossing the road, animals, people, I think it can be used even inside the city. Although it is not meant for the city, it can actually take the strain off your wrists, your body, the pillion. Overall, I think it's a good product, mostly to be used on the highway, but it can be used in the city as well.